Problem is from GATE 2016 mathematics paper, question number 27. Problem given is let u of x comma y equal to x cube plus ax square y plus bxy square plus 2y cube be a harmonic function and v of x comma y its harmonic conjugate. If v of 0 comma 0 equal to 1, then the absolute value of the expression a plus b plus v of 1 comma 1 is equal to dash. So the NPTEL reference to solve this problem is Module 2 Lecture 4 of Complex Analysis. The title of this lecture is Cauchy-Riemann Equations in Differentiability by Professor P.A.S. Srikrishna. He is from Department of Mathematics, IIT Guwahati. Even you can watch this reference video using this YouTube link. So now coming to the solution. So by just looking at the problem, we can observe it is asked to calculate the absolute value of this expression. So now we have two tasks here. So since it is given u is as this expression, we have the first task as to calculate the values of the term, calculate the values of a and b, and the second task is to calculate the function v of x comma y using the condition v of 0 comma 0 equal to 1. When we have these values a, b and the function v of x comma y, we can easily calculate this expression. So for this we solve this problem in the following way. So the u function u of x comma y is given as x cube plus ax square y plus bxy square plus 2y cube. Yes, so it is given that u is harmonic. That implies we have uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Whenever a function is harmonic, that means that function satisfies the Laplace equation. That is nothing but this equation. So now from this we see uxx. Firstly we see ux and uy here. Yes, ux is 3x square plus 2axy plus 2bxy. That's it. And uy equal to here only by square. And coming to uy, we have ax square y plus 2bxy plus 6y square as uy. And then again we have uxx is 6x plus 2ay, and whereas we have uyy is ax square, ax square plus 12y. Here in uy we have ax square only, hence here in have uyy as 2bx plus 12y. Now by the Laplace equation we have uxx plus uyy equal to 0. That is 6x plus 2ay plus 2bx plus 12y equal to 0. That implies when we take x common we get 6 plus 2b plus when we take y common we get 2a plus 12. That is equal to 0. And from this, actually this is for all x comma y. This is for all x comma y. So we have in particular, when we take in particular x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, we get 6 plus 2b equal to 0, and when we take in the reverse x is 0 and y equal to 1, we get 2a plus 12 equal to 0. And hence from these two equations we get a equal to minus 6 and b equal to minus 3. Yes. So from this we got the values of a and b. So by just using the condition harmonic function, we could find the values of a and b. So now to calculate the value of the expression or to calculate the function v of x comma y, we have to use the condition that v is the harmonic conjugate of u. That is, it is given that v of x comma y is the harmonic conjugate of u of x comma y. So u of x comma y and v of x comma y. What does that mean is when v is the harmonic conjugate of the function u, that means the two functions u and v satisfies the satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equations. And that is nothing but ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. So now from these equations, as it is already given the function u, so from these two equations we get the function v. So for that we have, since we have already calculated ux as this expression and uy again this expression. So from this we have vx equal to uy, and that is nothing but uy is ax square plus 2bxy plus 6y square. So this is the value of vx, and similarly we have vy is ux, and that is nothing but 3x square plus 2axy plus by square. Yes. So now from these two equations, by just integrating with respect to x and y, integrating accordingly, so by integrating these two equations, we get v of x comma y is, since we are integrating here with respect to x, we get a sorry ax cube by 3 plus bx square y plus 6 x y square. This is v of x comma y. Since we have integrated with respect to x, so we can get an extra term as a function of y. This is v of x comma y. Since but from this we get vy. Since we have the value of the expression vy as this, but from the given from the conditions we have derived v as this function as a function of x and y. But from this we have vy as bx square plus 12 xy plus 5 dash of y, where b is, which we calculated that b is minus 3. So by just substituting that, we get minus 3x square plus 12xy plus pi dash of y. This is Vy. Since Ux equal to Vy here and Vx equal to minus Uy, we have Vx is minus of Uy, I missed minus. So we get this as minus of this expression. And from this we get V as minus of this whole expression. And hence we get Uy as minus of this whole expression. So that is minus of this expression. But since we got, but we have seen Vy is here from the Cauchy-Riemann equations we get 3x square plus 2axy, 3x square plus 2axy plus by square, where a is minus 6 and b is minus 3. So by just substituting from the value of a and b, and from these two expressions we have, therefore we get, by just comparing these two, we get pi dash of y is minus 3y square. Sorry, minus pi dash of y is minus 3y square. Hence pi dash of y is 3y square. That implies pi of y is nothing but y cube plus some constant c. But since, okay, this is pi of y, that is in total v of x comma y is minus ax cube by 3, and since a is minus 6, we get 2x cube plus 3x square y plus 6 minus 6xy square plus minus y cube minus c. And but since it is given one more extra condition that v of 0 comma 0 equal to 0, sorry, 1. So from this we get the value of c exactly. Since v of 0 comma 0 equal to 1, that implies we get c is equal to minus 1 from the above expression, from this expression. So now we have the values of a, b and the function v. Hence we get, therefore v of x comma y is nothing but 3x square y minus 6 minus 6 xy square minus y cube plus 2x cube plus 1. 3x square y minus 6xy square minus y cube plus 2x cube plus 1. Hence it is asked that v of 1 comma 1. So from this we get v of 1 comma 1 equal to 3 minus 6 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. That is nothing but minus 1. Hence modulus of a plus b plus v of 1 comma 1 is minus 6 and b is minus 3, and we have v of 1 comma 1 is minus 1. Hence this is nothing but modulus of minus 10. Hence that is 10. So the answer is 10.